Hello all traders, today is Wednesday 12th of February 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating around the previous day close on all E-minis and it started to go down sharply during the news release pre-market. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price found the support and started to go up and recovered this loss. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price tests this level of resistance in a well-established downtrend, or wait for the price to test these support levels and take long position again in a well-established uptrend. So when I came back, the price was at this level testing this area and it got rejected, and the sellers came back strongly and pushed the price lower to test the previous low level. So I took sell short position with setup B and C on Nasdaq and at the same time also on S&P 500. So two positions were taken on both instruments. So both positions were closed here at this area as you see with profit, and we reached the daily target for the day in about 10 minutes, and all the signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see performance on one of these accounts here that was positive, showing profit factor of 99, which is infinite because we had 100% win rate and the profit factor cannot be calculated properly. And these are from the 4 sell short positions taken, but we can see that the average winning trades were about $405 and the largest winning trade was $580. So that was the summary of the trades we have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And on the small 5k CFD prop firm account, these are the list of trades. 6 long positions were taken on Dow Jones and S&P 500 in these areas that we had rejection of the price, and buyers came back and pushed the price higher, and we closed all of them almost with profit with one small loss. And this shows that the total balance is now $79.44 with the profit factor of 3.39, and this shows equity curve that was improved slightly today. And as you see, it's consistent again over the period of this challenge. And this shows that from 146 trades taken, we had 120 winners, resulted in 82% win rate. And this shows the equity curve that is growing linearly with the small drawdown, which is less than 0.5%, 10 times less for the daily loss requirement to pass the second stage of the prop firm. So hope this trade is taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm accounts, and also the small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.